In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WooCommerce products. Exporting your products from WooCommerce is a quick way to create a clean spreadsheet of your store's items, perfect for backups, bulk edits, or moving data between sites. I'll walk you through the exact process so you know what to click, what to select, and what to expect when your file is generated. Start by opening your WordPress website and make sure you're in the admin dashboard. From the main menu on the left, look for Products. Click Products to open your product list. This is where you normally manage everything you sell, and it's also where the export tool lives. At the top of the product list page, you'll see an export option. Click Export to open the export screen. This is the central place where WooCommerce lets you choose exactly what product data you want to extract. It's designed to keep things straightforward while still giving you control over the information that ends up in your file. On this page, you can select which columns will be included in the export. Since we're focusing on the essentials, make sure the columns for product and product category are selected. Choosing the product column ensures the core details of each item are included, and selecting product category keeps your categories mapped to those products so you can sort, filter, and organize them easily in a spreadsheet later. If you only want the minimum useful set, these are the key fields to capture a clear snapshot of your catalog. Once you've confirmed your column choices, click Generate CSV. WooCommerce will prepare a CSV file for you. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a standard format that plays nicely with most spreadsheet tools and importers. Depending on how many products you have, this might take a moment. When it's ready, your browser will download the file automatically. After the download completes, you'll have a portable copy of your product data saved to your computer. Keep it somewhere safe so you can reuse it for reporting, auditing, or future imports. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads area or your default downloads folder. And if the download seems slow on a large catalog, that's normal. Just give it a little time to finish. That's all there is to it. You've opened your WordPress site, clicked Products, used the Export option, selected the product and product category columns, and generated a CSV with your WooCommerce product data.